Want to take your career into the world of specialty coffee brewing? Then you'd surely have heard about French press, V60, AeroPress, Chemex, Mocha pot, cold brew, and cycle. In our courses, you'll get hands-on experience in using all these and deep diving into their history. During our courses, we'll also explore concepts like extraction and strength, as well as essential factors like water quality, turbulence, temperature, and grind settings. Oh, and how can we forget about refractometer to calculate and brew with correct extraction? We have covered that all. So, are you ready to brew and taste a wide variety of specialty coffee and experience how brewing the same coffee with different methods can create completely different flavors? Then, book a call with our team today and learn all these in just 10 to 12 days.